Good morning. It's a sunflower kind of day, in a sunflower kind of way, when things are feeling alright and maybe sometimes even okay. Little sunflower says hello. Sometimes we just gotta motherfucking go. We got a bunch of flowers, man. I'm gonna show you my flowers. Sunflower garden in the front. You like that? Oh yeah. Look at all these. Oh man, I've been planting these months and months. Look at that bushel coming up. Oh my goodness. Nature's first green is gold. It's a hue that's hard to hold. Her first leaf's a flower, but only for an hour. And leaf subsides to leaf, and nature sinks to grief. Nothing gold can stay, and dawn goes down today. Good morning, everybody. Be good to yourselves, don't waste it. This shit is beautiful, man. Even if you're hurting, breathe. Get it done. Love you. Be safe. And remember, all are welcome here.